online, you stick your butt means everything.
Done. It's done.
So, we're sitting here in debt, and your good business is paying for your bad business.
And suffering.
And suffering.
Seriously. I never took these type of gambles. I don't want to go bankrupt. I've worked too hard.
You feeling pressure?
All the stress is overwhelming on my employees and my family. My wife, I got 3 little kids. They live 75 miles away. My life has to change because I was living in a nice house and I had a good life.
You're a good sport, Brock. You're a good sport. He's just like licking his paw.
Who's one of those people? This is a tough business. I gotta get you out of rookie mode and get you into major league mode. And we got 5 days to do it. So let's go to
Now he's wishing I would have cut his tail when he was a pup.
Spill out to the parking lot to address a problem we found before even stepping foot inside the bar.
God, this is a scratching post right now.
First of all, it says all new.
Oh crap, he's getting into it.
The name sucks. That's fine. Look at me.
Hey, Baxter. Hey, Baxter.
Oh, I won't take it down right now.
Signs create positioning. They tell different types of people that this place is for you and it's not for somebody else. Underneath the chicken is a sign that says family friendly, but yet he's trying to sell booze in there.
Come on, man. Come on. Make him stop.
The chicken company is doing $2 million a year in sales and losing money.
I will say this to you with all due respect. This is a discussion that we will have at some time.
He's gonna get bopped.
Oh, please have. And for 3 days, thousands of cars are going to drive by and say, what's going on here?
This would make millions of hits on YouTube if Rocky's like right back. Oh, look, he's still going for it.
The name not positioned you properly.
Chicken bone's gotta go. Chicken bone is gotta go. When you have a fresh beginning, you have a honeymoon. You have a fresh start.
I don't agree with that.
I can give one aggressive